Hey guys, Chrisspy here. Welcome to my channel. If you're new to this series, I have been doing weekly weight loss vlogs and we are actually on week 4. I would definitely recommend going back and checking out the first week's vlog just so you can catch up and see where we're at. In this series, I'm holding nothing back. I am showing you guys everything. So it's something that I'm really excited about and I'm glad that you guys are here allowing me to share with you. This week is definitely a challenge. You're gonna see everything. Get ready. Before we jump into the video, I just wanted to remind you guys to make sure that you're subscribed to my channel, turn on post notifications so you don't miss my new videos, and let's get started. Let's get started. This is not a tutorial. Let's watch the vlog. Okay, so we are at Tao right now to celebrate our best friend Alma's birthday, and I wanted to introduce you guys to Sarah. She's gonna be with me all week on our little vacay. And if any of you are my OG followers, you will remember Sarah.
That's true.
From back in the day, I did her makeup for a tutorial.
It's like 2014.
Yeah, she's totally on board with my keto mission.
We're about that keto life.
About that keto life. Well, I am, but Sarah's about supporting the keto life.
All for the support. We are headed to Miami, all packed up. I was packing until like 3 a.m. I did bring my little keto test strips with me to Miami, helped me stay on track. I think I had 2 glasses of wine last night with dinner, and I think like there's different sugar content in different wines, so that might have been it because I tested negative for ketosis this morning. It was a bit concerning, but I'm just gonna stick to the diet. I brought some, let me show you. I brought some little snackies with me for the plane. For you.
Crummy hears that, she's like, treats? Our flight is delayed like an hour, so we're grabbing some breakfast right now. We're just ordering an omelet, and then we're taking off at like, what time? 11?
Like 11.
11:30. I'm just kidding, it's actually good. It's actually good.
Mine was really salty when I took it. It surprised me.
Mine's really salty and I like it.
How do you do almost numbers?
So here we have a Caesar salad. I skipped the croutons. And then we have some grilled octopus with greens, feta cheese, and what's it supposed to be? Kalamata olives? Did I make that up? I see tomatoes.
Yeah, there's calamari olive paste, I think.
Yummy!
Cheers!
So we finally made it down to the pool. I got a really little quick workout in this morning, just like 30 minutes. I did like a warm-up and then like 2 circuits, and then I was doing abs and I was like, I gotta go. But at least I did something. I just ordered a drink by the pool. I got a vodka soda, and then Gremlin's here, and we're gonna head up to the room probably around like 4 to get ready.
Hi. Oh my god, what are you doing?
We're having some shrimp cocktail, and I also ordered some chicken wings, some ranch.
We are really doing this. This is happening.
All right, we're about to head out to the party. This is what I'm wearing. Just like this bodycon black dress with a Gucci belt. I'm kind of feeling like I want to put on a second pair of Spanx. Full disclosure, because I'm like, ugh, fucking girl. So we just got ready. I did my makeup so quick. We decided to take a nap, which is always a risk for me because it means am I gonna be super sleepy or wake up okay? But we put it together and we're heading downstairs right now. We're gonna go on the party bus and we're gonna go to the Ofra relaunch party tonight. And yeah. So we got downstairs and we were not behind. So party bus was a little bit late.
We're right on time.
Right on time.
So we're drinking. I'm also on the keto diet, but I'm on the taquito diet.
I'm on the
Taquito.
Taquito. It's a little different.
It's a little more advanced. You couldn't handle it.
Pooped. We had a good time touring the factory. We had dinner. Stop it. And now we're just gonna watch a movie and go to sleep, and we leave really early for our flight tomorrow. We're watching A Quiet Place. Is that what it's called?
Yes.
We're watching A Quiet Place. I've never seen it. Oh, and we ordered some more food. I feel like I'm definitely not gonna lose weight this week. I mean, who knows? I doubt I'll make it to the gym tomorrow because I'm going to be back from my flight and be super tired. But on Saturday, I have my workout with my trainer. And I don't know. We'll see. Either way, I don't regret it because I actually didn't break my diet at all. Actually, no. I had a sip of orange juice last night. That's like the most that I did.
You did? I didn't see that.
Well, after Katie poured the tequila in my mouth.
Oh, got it. But no, she has not broken her diet. She stayed true to the diet, even when she's wanted to cheat. So I think we're going to still see weight loss this week, or at least be steady. I don't think there's going to be any weight gain.
I'm excited to get home and like focus and work hard, but I've had a good time. And I think that's the most important part.
It is.
What up, guys? Just wrapped up with my workout. I really didn't want to work out this morning. I almost canceled on my trainer. Like really was close to it, but then I just like downed some pre-workout and did it. I can't even tell you guys how much better I feel. I had like that cardio high when you're like I did like the lifting and some circuits with my trainer, and then I did excuse me. And then I did cardio afterwards, and I hit that high where I was really thinking about what I'm doing and just kind of realigned my thoughts and where I'm at. Because to be honest, I think like mentally I had only set myself up for like, okay, you have to get through the Florida trip without blowing it. And that's kind of where like my thinking stopped. So to be honest, I woke up this morning and I was just feeling kind of lost. Like, dude, where am I at? What am I doing? And yeah, so I feel a million times better. What also I'm going to do to help myself like mentally just feel good and know exactly what I'm doing is I'm going to write out my schedule. I feel like that helps, especially because, you know, I work from home. I don't have a set schedule. And I'm not complaining. I feel really lucky to be able to do
what I'm doing, but if I don't have a lot of like discipline and structure set in place, it can feel, I get lost sometimes. So I do have a confession. Yesterday, I'm like, oh God, I'm like not looking forward to telling you guys this, but yesterday when I got home from the airport, I didn't really have like much food that I felt like making, and so I totally went off the deep end, ordered Postmates and binged. I ordered Fat Sal's, buffalo chicken fries, a sandwich. I ordered a gang of desserts from B-Sweet. It was such a waste of money because I didn't even get close to like finishing any of it. And I felt like guilty for the rest of the day, felt bad about myself. What I normally would do though is cancel my workout this morning and continue to binge and drink and do whatever else for the next week until I was really, really in a deep hole. Just like being honest with you guys, like that's what I was doing when I would disappear from social media, and it was really, really self-destructive. Even what I did yesterday was self-destructive, but today I'm just picking up the pieces where I left off. I'm gonna go grocery shopping and I'm just gonna keep going. And I know that I'm always gonna deal with like, you know, binging is always gonna be a problem for me, but I just gotta keep chipping away at it. And I know that, you know, I'll be in control of it. And even though it happened yesterday, I still feel like I'm in control because I didn't keep going. Like I picked up the pieces today, so that's more important than anything. I got a California omelet here, some coffee. Victor's my lunch date.
Hi guys.
What did you get shopping today? Is that a Chihuahua?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, hello.
So on Sunday morning, I got up and weighed myself, and I saw that I had gained 3 pounds back. And instead of like being responsible and being like, yeah, let's like work harder and make things better, I did the complete opposite, and I was just like, fuck it. And I ended up totally just blowing my diet again on Sunday and eating really bad. So I really didn't want to tell you guys, like I really didn't want to include it in the vlog, but I'm so committed to being honest and just committing myself 100% that, you know, I feel like I'd be cheating myself if I lied about it. I don't even think like you guys really care if I were to omit that from the vlog, but I guess it's like more for me. So this morning when I weighed myself, I was the same as I was on Saturday. So I'm pretty disappointed and like, I don't know. I should have never done that first cheat like that when I first got home from Florida, because it just kind of like opened up the floodgates, and now it became like something close in my mind that I'm reaching for. And so this week I really just want to go hard. I want to make a lot of progress. I don't want to drink. Like drinking is just, me and alcohol are not good friends. Definitely tune in next week. I want to have some good news for you guys. I want to have some progress. And also, I'm staying home for the rest of the month, as far as I know, which will be really good for me to focus. Whenever I travel, it's really hard for me to stay on track. I'm back at 201 pounds. That brings my total weight loss to 11 pounds. I don't even want to give you like the bullshit, like it's not bad and I don't, like no, I want to do better. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you tune in next week and that you're subscribed to my channel if you're not already. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.